Hello everybody, this is Artist King coming back with another video. Today I decided I was gonna do something a little bit different. So I have this big ginormous roll of canvas that has already been treated with gesso. So I cut out a square. I believe this should be 16 by 20. I'm not sure. I think I did, but I'm not sure. And what I'm gonna do is create a little bit of mixed media, a little bit of collage with this one. And instead of using magazine images, I'm gonna use stencils. So because I bought some really big stencils that I wanted to try out, that has words, it's not pictures, it's like sayings, different type of sayings. So I wanted to try out one today with this piece. So if you follow with me, you'll see step by step how it can be done, and I challenge you guys to try one of your own. Okay, so just to remind you guys to like and subscribe, share the video. And for those who have been watching my videos, I just want to say a big old thank you for taking the time to do that. So while you're watching the videos, go ahead and subscribe, share the videos with someone of your friends, somebody you think might be interested, and keep coming back. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'm not gonna come back at the end. I just want you to continue watching and looking at how you can create a piece like this for yourself. Okay, so you guys enjoy your day, and I will see you next time. Okay, all right, bye now.